Zozora lapha uJulius Malema eyisho le ndaba but le video mfisa ukuthola kakhulu ama-comments ukuthi ngabe nifila kanjani, especially labantu asebemlandela Ungizwe isikhathi eside, abamthandela Ungizwe esikhathini eside, ukuthi ngabe bafila kanjani ngoNgizwe engena kwezepolitiki, ngabe bafila kanjani ngalezi insolo lezi eyishona lapha uJulius Malema neyisho abanye abantu ukuthi Ungizwe uyasetshenziswa osopolitiki uma befuna ukulwa bodwa. Ngabe lonto yiyo yini oyifisa lapha ungeza umlando bamchunu but anyway uJulius Malema eyihumusha lento ngolimi lwesilungu usho nokusho lapha uthi njengoba Ungizwe azama ukusabotaja okanye ukudicilela phansi umcimbi wakhe lapha uJulius Malema ubiza ngokuthi imanifesto uveza lapha ukuthi ungeza umlando bamchunu imvumo abayivumela semeleka ngoba ngisho uPamela lo ndaba yayithengiwe okanye yayisebenzisana neqembu le-ANC yiyo yakhipha imali yafanda yonke le nto kaNgizwe eyayenzeka. Okay, the question is, ulibhinca okanye awulona? Usumlandela isikhathi eside Ungizwe umthanda, umfisela okuhle. Ngakube ukubona Ungizwe engena kwipolitiki ngalendlela ngena ngayo kuphatha kanjani? How you feel?
As an operative, you don't need any kind of material evidence to prove there was state-sponsored sabotage, because that thing of Ungizwe, we just wake up one morning, Motolo says he's a deputy president of Ungizwe. So what more do you want? When the ANC provincial secretary says, I'm a deputy president of this tribalistic organization masquerading as a cultural group. The brain root. And then he comes, the same organization that he says he's a president of, stone throw away from us, wants to organize illegal event in an attempt to sabotage the EFF, and then we're asked, where is the evidence when it's just right there in front of you? So